Hi, my name is Michael. I head technology here at Callie's Books. What we're going to do is we're going to change the battery and we're going to fix a false contact at the back. This is often what happens either in manufacturing or because of a book being dropped in transport. This fix is for those books that have a single CR2032 battery on the back. These batteries look like this, and the fix is for a book that's no longer working properly. It may be that it doesn't play sound at all when you press the button, and it may be that some pages play, some pages don't play very well. So first of all, if you've got this handy screwdriver that comes with the Callie's Books battery kit that our customer support will happily send you if you've got a defective product, or you also get one for free with each purchase, use the Phillips head screwdriver, but there's a second screwdriver which will come in really handy here today. Phillips head on one side, flat head on the other. You use the Phillips head or cross head to open it. I recommend that you always check that the battery is off before the book is off before you open the battery case. Unscrew the battery cover, will pop off, and what we're doing here is we're going to see these two little tabs at the top or the bottom of this video actually. So these tabs need to be pushed out slightly. So if you take the flat side of your screwdriver and you come in just below here, gently on the first one, they're quite robust, so you don't have to worry too much. And just lift them up, both of them. Those two tabs, I've twisted it, put the flat head in behind, and I'm just checking that they're lifted up a bit away from the base. And you can even go quite far here to make sure that that contact is correct. So this looks better. Take the battery, place it back in, put the cover back on. Make sure the screw is nice and tight. This is important. You want to go as far as you can before it starts giving you resistance, and then switch the book back on. Turn it around, and voila! I hope this helps you get those books working again and back into the hands of kids. Thank you so much.